with another beautiful topic, sound of black teetar. He's a catch pot, and you can hear sounds of this. He's look at this his activities, how he doing sounds and his real sounds, because this is a natural animal, so people's always own to him, and some of people's are trying to go him out from catch, but for his safety due to attacks of animals like cat, dog, or other dangerous animals, people always have him. So, and provide him a cage like this. You can see live, so you can hear his sound. So watch this, amazing. This breed mostly live in Asia, Sindh, Pakistan, and India also. So he's a so unique part in the world. So he mostly live in desert areas. People's loving him and making him a domestic part. So look at this. I'm going away from him because he's former black teeter, a catch part. So look at his sounds. Oh, look at what he's doing other activity. I'm going to be close. So not just he's going to angry when he see me. Sounds so he's black. So many type of breeds of this black, and someone Irani and some other also different breeds. They mostly live in Sindh. They like desert areas. They're giving cubs in a land on desert, and so many people, so when they adopt him, they will take babies also. So look at this, is so real sound. So really beautiful sound of nature of this black con. If I if I talk, he will go into the silent. You can hear so amazing sound. Nature lovers. Look at this. He's up. This is a animal. He want to eat also him. Wanted to attack, bite him. Oh, oh. That's why people always save him and get him a cage. He's safe in cage. And now he's giving the real sounds. Look at this. So effective sound of this spot. People love a lot. So, so beautiful.